The Formnext TV news are proudly presented by Nexa 3D. Welcome to Formnext TV with latest news about the additive manufacturing world. Aalborg. With its Freeformer 203X and 303X, Aalborg displays the advantages of polymer freeforming in the medical sector, including soft material and multi-component additive manufacturing. Even high-temperature plastics and polypropylene can be processed on Aalborg's Freeformer. At Formnext Connect, the German-based company also presents its digital customer portal Aalborg's World, allowing for online access to the Freeformer as well as the entire Aalborg world. Hexagon. The first simulation model for metal binder jetting processes is introduced to the market by Hexagon. At a very early stage of the R&D construction phase, deformations caused by the sinter process can be detected and avoided. Hexagon's new module of SimulFact Additive supports users to achieve the required product quality, even for high-volume production lots. Shining 3D. At Formnext Connect, Shining 3D presents its extended product portfolio with new 3D scanners Einscan H and Einscan HX. Both devices dispose of a hybrid light technology developed for applications within the medical sector or for industrial reverse design. Einscan H uses two light sources to fulfill various scan requirements on mid-size or large objects. Einscan HX combines the advantages of both LED and laser technology, offering an extended field of use in terms of materials and surroundings. SERP. Together with a team of researchers, company SERP was able to develop a range of 3D printing materials with new nanotechnology-based characteristics. Some of the examples displayed on Formnext Connect are electroconductive inks with silver nanoparticles or thermoconductive inks with ceramic nanoparticles. Even foamable inks are on display at the virtual Formnext Connect booth of SERP, offering various future-proof characteristics for lightweight applications. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.